Today, we start with deep sorrow in the science and space category as we remember the story of former astronaut William Anders, whom we lost in the serene silence of space. William Anders, known for capturing the iconic Earthrise photograph in 1968, showing our planet as a shadowy blue marble from space, tragically lost his life in a plane crash in Washington. The 90-year-old Anders was piloting the aircraft alone on Friday when it crashed into the waters off the San Juan Islands. This tragic event marks the beginning of deep mourning for his family and loved ones.
Retired Air Force Colonel Greg Anders said, "Our family is devastated. He was not only a great pilot, but also a beloved person whom we will deeply miss." William Anders not only operated the command and service modules during the Apollo 8 mission, but also captured the iconic photograph that profoundly impacted our ecological consciousness of the planet. This photograph, the first color image of Earth taken from space, forever changed humanity's perspective on our planet. It ignited the global environmental movement by showcasing how fragile and isolated Earth appears from space.
NASA Administrator and former Senator Bill Nelson emphasized Anders' spirit of exploration and deep love for Earth, stating, "Anders went to the threshold of the moon and reminded us of ourselves." Anders recalled switching from black and white to color film as his team orbited the moon for the 4th time. "Oh my God, look at that picture over there," Anders exclaimed. "The Earth is coming up. Wow, is that pretty?" The Apollo 8 mission was humanity's first journey from low Earth orbit towards the moon. It was NASA's boldest and perhaps most perilous step, paving the way for the Apollo landing on the moon 7 months later. Arizona Senator Mark Kelly, also a retired NASA astronaut, wrote on social platform X, "Bill Anders forever changed our perspective of our planet and ourselves with the famous Earthrise photograph from Apollo 8. He inspired me and generations of astronauts. My thoughts are with his family and friends."
After the crash, San Juan County Sheriff Eric Peter reported receiving a call about an old model aircraft crashing into the water and sinking near the north end of Jones Island around 11:40 a.m. The Federal Aviation Administration is conducting a detailed investigation into the accident. In a NASA oral history interview in 1997, William Anders emphasized the riskiness of the Apollo 8 mission and the importance of progress for national, patriotic, and exploratory reasons. He estimated the odds of the crew not returning to be about 1 in 3, the same odds of the mission succeeding, and the same odds of the mission not starting at all. He suspected that Christopher Columbus faced worse odds when setting sail.
He described how, as they turned back, we were going backward, head over heels, couldn't see the Earth or the sun, and when we turned around, we saw the first Earthrise. He said, "It was certainly the most impressive thing I'd ever seen. Seeing that very delicate, colorful sphere that looked like a Christmas tree ornament above the stark, ugly lunar surface presented a great contrast. Today, we mourn the loss of William Anders, but his legacy and the profound meaning behind his photograph will forever remind us."